Welcome to Recipes Galore with Ask the Nanny, where I teach you how to make quick recipes for your family. Now, let's go see what's cooking in the kitchen today. Today, we are making melon pops. Our ingredients are watermelon and cantaloupe. The first thing we're going to do is put our cantaloupe into our blender cup. Now, we're going to attach our blender blade to our blender cup. Put it on top, and voila! Now we're adding our watermelon to our popsicle cups. Now we're ready to put them in the freezer for at least 3 to 4 hours. Thank you for cooking with me today. Be sure to tag me on Instagram with your recreation of this recipe at ask.the.nanny. I will see you next Saturday with another Recipes Galore. Now, I'm going to go eat some of this delicious food.